Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today we're going to show you how to make a paracord lanyard. Now, I've been making loads of these at work because of the pandemic and everything. They've changed the clocking machines from fingerprint scanners to swipe cards. So for the last 2 weeks I have been making loads of paracord lanyards and selling them at work. So I've done really well. I thought I would share how to do it with you. So I've got 5 feet of paracord. I can't remember what colour it is, but it's green. 5 feet of paracord, put it in half. I found the middle. This piece goes around your neck, and then I just hung it over myself just to see how long I would like the keys or the card, whatever I'm using, to hang. And I put my lobster clip right where I want it to be. Now, you don't need a lobster clip. You can use a key ring, a split ring if you like, but I will leave links in the description on Amazon where you can get these from. So yes, I shall do that for you. Now, once you found the middle, put it around your neck and measured it to how far you want to be. All we're going to do now is a simple cobra weave. So this is the centre that goes around your neck. These are the bits that come out the side, and all I'm going to do is start on the left hand side, because I always start on the left hand side. I don't know why. Actually, I'm zoomed in a little bit too close there. Let's zoom out a bit. There you go. Right, start on the left hand side and bring that cord over the top of the centre cords like that. Then get your right hand side cord, bring it over the top, like that. Poke it behind the middle cords, like that, and bring it up through this hole here. Like that. And then you just kind of cinch it all up, pull it all together. Now the first knot, the first is always the worst, I find. It always looks the worst. But there you go, just cinch it all up like that. And then carry on. This is the cord you started with. Bring it, it always goes over the top of the centre cords, and the other cord always goes behind the cords. Bringing out. And there you go. And do it again. And just keep going, really. I make them, I do this cobra weave and I make it about an inch and a half long. Just nice to be a bit decorative. But yeah, I've been selling these at work for about £3. That's what, $5 roughly at the moment. Because they're people at work that I know, I see them every day, so I give them a good cheap price. But I've been selling loads of these because everyone is losing their swipe cards, which is good for me. So yeah, I shall do a couple more. You could sell these for a lot more on Etsy. I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to try. Let's do one more, I think. There you go. So, there. What you do now, snip and singe. If you have the plastic lanyard card, attach it to the end like that. If not, you can just sell them with the lobster clip like this, or the split ring, and they can do it themselves. All I'm going to do is snip and singe. So, as usual, YouTube would like you to watch the video up here, and I would like you to watch the video up there. Off you go, and I will see you later.